We have seen an unfortunate incident last night in Bhainsa once again. Series of communal riots have been taking place since last few years. This is because of the inefficiency of the police department and them being completely under pressure of TRS and MIM parties in the state. Yesterday also about 10 people were seriously injured. Couple of them are admitted in private hospital in Hyderabad. I understand both of their situation is quite critical and most of them hail from journalist background, and one of them who is critical in Yashoda very seriously injured in the chest region under the heart. He is a very active journalist. So this is very unfortunate, and this has been happening for few years now, since few years, because yesterday also whatever incidents took place, today they have registered, last night they have registered cases on 100 people, out of which equally they distribute equally, Hindus 50, Muslims 50. What kind of basis is this for you to register cases? The police department has to answer. Last year in the month of January there was a serious communal violence in Bhainsa where hundreds of people properties were burnt, vehicles were burnt, homes were burnt. Most of them, maximum majority of them were Hindus. This government, TRS government, MIM party, they want Hindus to be driven out of Bhainsa. There is one Mr. Javed, I don't know, his name is some Javed something. His family members are municipal chairmen since a couple of decades now. He is a big land grabber and he is the triggering point for all these communal violences. Even 2 days before, because of the land grabbing incidents, there are a lot of videos which were being circulated by Hindus because Hindu properties are being grabbed there. So just because of these viral videos, they started attacking Hindus. And today we see again once more a serious communal violence in Bhainsa last night. So this is because of the inefficiency of police department, their complete surrender they succumb to the pressure from TRS and MIM. Had this police department acted independently and punished culprits of last year violence, today we wouldn't have seen this another unfortunate incident last night.
Sir, regarding this incident, the Rasakonda Commissioner Maheshwar Babu has released a statement asking that not to forward any WhatsApp messages or viral this incident here.
Yes, Mr. Mahesh Bhagwat, we welcome your statement, but what is your police department doing? You are the reason for repeated communal violence in Bhainsa. What kind of case should be registered against you? How can you register 50 cases on Hindus and 50 cases on Muslims? What is the basis? How many people have you taken action? How many people are behind bars? The main culprits of last year's incident are roaming around freely and in full power और वो बुग्गे की गाड़ी में completely from MIM party. They rule the Bhainsa. They want Hindus to be driven out of Bhainsa. I don't know what your police department is doing. If you are going to file criminal cases on people who are going to react on social media, then what kind of case should be filed against you and your department for being inefficient and inactive?